Hey guys, welcome back to Vlogtober day
22.
Day 22. If you've missed days 1 through 21, I've created a Vlogtober 2025 playlist and I will link it above and below and you can catch up on all of the unboxing fun. Definitely check out day 20 because we shared something really, really fun in that video. So go watch that video. And today we have one for each of us. Do you think it's the same thing?
I think it might be.
So should we open it at the same time?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do that.
Oh.
Oh. You know what it is?
It's a brown hairy spider.
Yeah. Okay. What's with Grammi dying like the realism lately? I like the ones that don't look real. I guess we'll fan out his legs to terrify ourselves and you guys. I'm gonna put these outside on the grass. What, Mom?
I like it.
Yeah. It's very realistic. Like, this looks like those huntsman spiders. Have you seen those? They're called bird-eating spiders, and they legit, like, eat birds. And they live in, like, the Amazon and stuff, and then when they jump off trees, like, the ground vibrates.
What?
Yeah. That's what this reminds me of.
They look like they would have them in Australia.
Yeah. Thanks, Mom. We'll put these outside in our yard display. Okay, that was really fun. Okay, so I'm gonna share something a little more light. In our last video, I shared that this Halloween season, I've gotten to do some really cool collaborations and receive PR packages for my Instagram and Facebook. So I thought it'd be fun to just share a few of them here. And yesterday I shared Sparky. Go watch that video because he's so cute. And he's available at Lowe's. I'm sure people are going to ask that. Sparky is available at Lowe's. And then Grammi Industries, who sent me Sparky, also sent me this really cute Frankenweenie like table topper. So you can set him on top of your table or a shelf or wherever. And they're so adorable. I'm going to play like a few seconds of it and then stop it because I think we'll get copyrighted, but okay, that's good. You get the idea. Anyways, just these little like confettis. I think they're bats. Yeah, they're little bats. They like blow around. But it's so cute. Frankenweenie is really underrated. If you like Tim Burton animation, if you like stop motion animation in general, go check this out. It's in black and white. It's amazing. Do you like this movie?
I love the movie.
It's really, really good. So go check it out. This is so cute. Okay, so we got the spiders.
I like it.
Okay, Juliet can have mine. And then we shared this. So that is it for day 22. We will see you guys tomorrow for day 23. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye.